Whoa!
Yes, it worked at last, sir.
As I thought.
I think we're getting into trouble.
Trusting.
System correctly installed. Starting Bloodlust Fury Protocol.
Can't believe this. He's with them. Catnap, my old friend. Never imagined that one day you would turn to the dark side. Wait.
Excellent. Now find the other critters and destroy them.
Your wish is my command.
Another hour of joy begins.
This is not good. I must find a way to... hurry up before it's too late. But disgusting. Oh my god. If he fights me, I'm screwed.
My sensors detect enemies.
I have zero chance of surviving if he wants to hurt me. He's gone. Oh.
The only apple I can afford.
Did not catch me. Wow.
Oh, clumsy.
S-M-I-L-E. What's that?
Objectives found successfully.
Scary.
We got a metal cut over here.
I'm here to complete my mission.
You look so funny. And ow, you hurt it. Oh my goodness. I should play more carefully.